Some people are not actually emotionally or psychologically fit to own stock.
How's it going, everyone? This is Daniel. In this video, we're going to talk about Tesla stock. We're going to go over and look at exactly how many Tesla shares Elon Musk sold. We just got the confirmation that he actually sold Tesla shares. We're going to go over it in detail and talk about this, and also what to expect for Tesla stock. What does this mean for Tesla and also for Twitter? We're going to talk about it in detail in this video coming up. As you can see right here, we have the headline that broke out that Elon Musk sold around $4 billion worth of Tesla shares. So I made a video about, is there a possibility that Elon Musk actually sold his shares? Because when you look at Tesla price action for the last 5 days, it doesn't usually tend to go down as very smooth as it did the last few days, So the price action that we saw was somebody was definitely seemed like it was unloading, but we did not have a confirmation of maybe Elon Musk sold or some big institution have sold. We just assumed that, okay, investors are fearful, but as you can see, we got the confirmation that he sold $4 billion worth of Tesla shares. And also on the video that I just posted a few hours ago, 3 hours ago, I talked about this SEC form for .com. So they just posted an update going over exactly how many shares Tesla sold, what time, and etc. So as you can see over here, so he sold a massive amount of Tesla shares. So he sold around more than 2.2 million shares. We got 889,000 shares, 316,000 shares, 604,000 shares, 345,000 shares. So it's been unloading Tesla shares. So the prices that he averagely sold was around 889, over here 913, 954, 919, 898. So this definitely shows that he is very well committed to Twitter. So I personally did not expect that Elon Musk was going to be selling. We talked about on several videos, okay, is there a risk for Tesla stock? We talked about this. Is there a possible risk that he might be selling because he seemed like he's more committed into investing his time, money, and energy into Twitter? So moving forward, what to expect for Tesla? So as you can see, we have Tesla that had this massive drop. Of course, it was Elon Musk unloading his shares, but does not mean anything though, because the fundamentals of Tesla is phenomenal, right? So we all know that Tesla is growing. Their earnings was phenomenal. We got Twitter earnings today, which was horrible, right? So they missed. They didn't even talk about like the 2 years guidance that they're gonna be doing. So we'll see moving forward. But let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this Elon Musk selling? Is he gonna get distracted by him actually having a Twitter? Is he gonna get distracted from different projects that he's involved in? Like he's working on SpaceX. We have Tesla. We have the AI. You have the robot. There's a lot of things that Tesla by itself is doing. So now he has another company that he's investing his money, his energy, his time. So it's going to be very interesting. But I personally believe that Tesla by itself, even if Elon Musk is not there, can definitely grow and can definitely, they have a very solid foundation. So it can sustain itself and it can grow without Elon Musk. Let's say people were speculating, okay, maybe what if Elon Musk dies? What could happen for Tesla? It's just going to be like Apple, right? Apple, Steve Jobs was a very phenomenal, CEO and founder. And when he died, the company still grew and now it's doing even better. So it's the same thing with Tesla too. If something happens with Elon Musk, or even if he decides to quit or anything like that, the company has a very solid foundation to build upon what they already have. The most important thing when you are building anything, any kind of building, anything like that, is the foundation, right? So we know Tesla has a phenomenal foundation. They already have massive factories. They're already profitable. So it's just a very great company to invest in. Nothing really changes. So that's just my personal opinion with Tesla. But with Twitter, I'm not really sure about what he's going to be doing. We talked about in this video in detail about what could potentially be Twitter's future when Elon Musk is involved. So he's going to be completely changing the business plan that Twitter has right now. They're actually generating revenue by running ads. And Elon Musk, analysts are speculating that he's going to be changing their business plan, and there might be subscription or some other services that he can be able to implement where they can generate some kind of form of a revenue. So I think what they're going to be doing is, of course, they're going to have like cryptocurrency, they're going to accept Dogecoin, like all kinds of stuff is going to be coming with cryptocurrency and etc. So that is just a very big mystery on how Twitter is going to be performing. But let's look at exactly what's going to be happening also with Twitter stock. So what's going to potentially happen with Twitter? The deal is probably going to go through because Elon Musk is committed. He is dumping his Tesla shares and he's committed. So people are speculating, okay, this deal might not go through because of the, some regulation with the government. The SEC might step in and etc. But as you can see over here, the man is committed to accomplishing this deal. He just dumped billions of dollars worth of Tesla shares. And in the past, at least he announced it on Twitter. But this time, he just committed. We just had to speculate, okay, is there a risk with Elon Musk dumping shares? Is there a potential sell-off coming out and etc.? So that is exactly, unfortunately, that happened. But what I can say is that, is there a lot of selling pressure with Tesla right now? Is there going to be a big dump coming in? He got $4 billion. He can leverage it. I think he can sell more too, in my opinion. Right now, since he started selling, I think he might sell more shares because the total amount of money required for the Twitter deal was around $21 billion cash. So Elon Musk dumped $4 billion. So if he decides to sell more, I think we might see some more selling pressure with Tesla. Anybody that wants to buy in, average down, it's definitely a great time. It's going to be a phenomenal opportunity for anybody that wants to get involved in Tesla and buy right now, of course. So as you can see, after hours is also down to $854 per share. So we'll see tomorrow what investors are going to be reacting to, because the news just broke out that he started dumping, that Elon Musk sold $4 billion worth of shares. Of course, the long-term investors are going to be excited to buy in it because you can definitely buy more shares, and also other people might panic. So we'll see what's going to happen, but don't be emotional. So we're going to be watching a clip of Warren Buffett. So Warren Buffett is a very phenomenal long-term investor. He made billions of dollars. He talks about exactly how to invest and how to have the right mindset when you are investing in a stock. So don't pay attention to the stock price going up or down. Elon Musk sold, Elon Musk did not sell. Like, it doesn't really matter. We are investing in the business. Tesla business is phenomenal. So just to keep you motivated, watch this clip of him actually talking about how to have the right mindset.
Some people are not actually emotionally or psychologically fit to own stocks, but I think more of them would be if you get educated on what you're really buying, which is part of a business. And the longer you hold stocks, the less risky they become. Whereas the longer the maturity of a bond, the more risky it becomes.
Let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your opinion. And also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell. I'll catch you guys on another video. Have a wonderful day.